Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, Childhood Memories. So today we've got a Fisher-Price pull-along dog, and a few of you may remember this one growing up. It's a 2005 basic pull-along dog. Not really much more I can say about this one, it's quite a basic toy. So let's see it being demonstrated and see what it does. Well, what can I say? As you can see by being pulled along, basically all it does is the legs move up and down and it's got a squeak, and then the head moves side to side. That's pretty much what it does. And sort of back in the day, a lot of toys were quite basic. So, who had this one growing up then? Fisher-Price pull-along dog, 2005. Not really much I can say about this one. You literally just pull it by the rope, pull it along. Its legs move and it squeaks as it goes along. And that's pretty much all it does. So this will be a short video just showing that. If you had this growing up, please like and comment in the comments below. And thanks very much for watching.